Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to fix your Lexus IS250 side mirror. First, we'll identify common problems like a loose mirror or a broken housing. Then, I'll guide you through gathering the right tools, such as a trim removal tool and a screwdriver, along with any replacement parts you might need. We'll cover the essential steps for safely removing the old mirror and installing a new one, ensuring a clear view for your drives. Let's get started. Before diving into the repair, it's crucial to properly diagnose the problem. If your mirror isn't adjusting, check the electrical connections and fuses first. Sometimes, the issue is simply a loose wire. Next, carefully inspect the mirror housing for any visible cracks or damage that might require a full replacement. Having your new mirror glass or complete assembly on hand will make the process much smoother. Preparation is key for a successful fix. Hey everyone, if you're finding this guide helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more useful car tips. And speaking of staying refreshed on the road, a quick recommendation. Keep yourself hydrated with an Owala water bottle. It's perfect for those long drives or while you're working on your car. You can find the link to grab yours, along with other great deals, in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. Now, let's get to the hands-on part. Begin by gently prying off the interior door panel trim to access the mirror's mounting bolts. Use a trim removal tool to avoid scratching your car's finish. Once the trim is off, disconnect all electrical connectors attached to the old mirror. After unbolting the old assembly, carefully mount your new mirror, ensuring all connections are secure and the bolts are tightened to specification. Test the mirror's function before reassembling the door panel.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.